If you own a Volkswagen Mark 1 or any old Volkswagen for that matter, then you might have the same issue that I'm having. The doors don't shut properly, so you have to slam them shut. And today we're going to fix that issue outside in a public car park because I still don't have a garage. If you're new to the channel, this is my Volkswagen Rabbit pickup, imported from California. Very, very similar to the Mark 1 Caddy that we have here in the UK and in Europe. They share pretty much the same parts. The body shape is pretty much identical, but as you've seen on the channel in previous videos, not every single part is the same as a Mark 1 Caddy. As you can see, both doors aren't shutting smoothly, and any eagle-eyed viewers out there watching have probably already spotted a potential reason why they're not shutting smoothly. These are called door striker pins, and normally they would come with a little plastic collar around the middle. And because this truck was built in 1979, I'm gonna bet that at some point in its lifetime, those little collars snapped off, came off, or whatever, or maybe they didn't even come with them at all. If you do know, let me know in the comments below. So I've gone ahead and ordered 2 brand new striker pins from Heritage Parts Center. I'll leave a link in the description below. Not sponsored, wish I was. As you can see, we do have the little plastic collar that spins around in the middle, and I predict this will make a massive difference. Now this may be a very quick fix and the doors shut perfectly and that's the video over. Or it could be something else, which I'm going to get onto in a minute. If you'd like to support the channel and what I'm doing here, then head over to oldvolks.co.uk and get yourself a t-shirt or a hoodie. Old Volks Supply is my own clothing brand, and all the profits made go back into making videos. This allows me to upgrade the camera equipment or buy parts for the truck or products to review, all on the YouTube channel. And by the looks of it, at the moment we just need to sell another 45 t-shirts to be able to afford the Insta360 camera, which I think will absolutely elevate this channel, giving us some really amazing action shots. Or we could use the profits for something for the truck to show people here on the channel. You see, a lot of people that watch these videos are just like me. They're not mechanically inclined, and they like to watch these videos to see how it's done so they could tackle it themselves. So let me know in the comment section below, what should we spend the t-shirt profits on? Should we A, go for that Insta360 camera, which will give us some really cool shots for future videos, or B, do we spend the money on something for the truck to show it here on the channel? So once again, if you want to support the channel, go to oldvolks.co.uk. We ship worldwide. Get yourself a t-shirt or a hoodie. You'd be supporting the channel massively. I really appreciate it. Back to the video! We put the new striker pin in, but I don't think it's going to be in the right place, so this may need adjusting. Yeah. As you can see, the door still doesn't shut properly, so we're going to go in and adjust where this is. Just undo this a little bit, just so we can move it about. Let's just position it a little bit more away from the inside. Just tighten it up there. Okay. Now we've repositioned the pin, let's see how the door shuts. Perfect. Amazing. That is pretty cool. Nice. And what if we just close it gently? That is insane. That's amazing. Okay, so if that didn't fix your door, I'm going to show you some other factors that may be contributing towards why they're not shutting smoothly. These are your door locking mechanisms. Now they can get worn over time, they can get stuck. If you wanted to, you could take them off, give them a bit of a refurb, or you could replace them entirely. Now if you're like me and you're not sure when certain parts of your vehicle were last replaced or even maintained, then you're probably going to want to go around and try and replace every part you can and put new things on your vehicle if you've got the money. Now luckily these should cost around about less than £10 each, so that's not too bad. If you end up ordering some of these locking mechanisms, make sure you order the left one and the right one. You don't want to order two left or two right, because when they arrive you're going to look like a right wally. If you are going to order those locking mechanisms, you may want to double check the part number. It's right there on the side. Just double check it with the part that you are going to order online. Make sure they're the same. I'm not sure if you can buy a different one with a different part number. If you have done that and you've had success, let us know in the comments below. But just to be sure, just check your part number. Here's another factor in why your door may not be shutting smoothly. It's these door seals right here. Now if you've installed brand new door seals, first of all, must be very nice to be able to afford door seals, because they can get quite expensive. If you have just installed brand new ones, it may take some time for them to wear in and get pushed up against this, because they do stick out quite a lot when you first put them on. To me, this is probably a little bit of a luxury at the moment. I don't need to replace them immediately, but it would be nice. That is so cool. Now if you're in the position to get yourself some brand new door seals, and I highly recommend that you do, you need to make sure that you're getting the correct size. You don't want to make this mistake. You see, this is a Volkswagen Rabbit pickup. For argument's sake, it's a Mark 1 Caddy. Now the Mark 1 Caddy does share the same door size as the 4-door or 5-door. I always get this one mixed up. Let me know in the comments below. For argument's sake, this door is the same size as a 4-door Mark 1 Golf. Now when you go onto these websites, you click on the drop down and choose your size, make sure you do not get the 2-door or 3-door. You don't want to get the 2-door Golf if you've got one of these. Get the 4-door Golf. They share the same size door. The 2-door Golf, the doors are slightly bigger. Now those rubber door seals can be quite expensive, so make sure you shop around, get yourself a good deal, and don't overspend. Also, I don't think it matters what brand of door seal you get. People aren't going to be opening your door and checking to see if you've got a genuine Volkswagen door seal. As long as it doesn't let water in, mate, I think you're alright. Now the last reason why your door may not be shutting smoothly could be down to the door itself not being on properly. It may need adjusting, it may need a washer behind the bolt. Now although the door does shut pretty damn smooth now, you can still see that we could adjust this door. Look at the gap here compared to down here. Now how do we rectify this situation? Now as you can see, there's two bolts that hold this door on, and in our situation we need to close the gap at the top here. As you can see, smaller down the bottom, big gap at the top. In order to fix that situation, we would need to take this bolt out and place a washer just behind it, and that will then make this door go forward a touch. And by doing so, we won't have this massive gap. Now if you are going to be doing that, make sure that you've got something underneath your door, maybe like a trolley jack or something, just for safety, to make sure your door doesn't go anywhere. And that is another job done on the Rabbit pickup. If you wanted to see more videos on this American import, I've put together a whole playlist on the channel which has every video that we've done with this truck. We've done maintenance, fixes, we've done modifications, even the engine swap is on this playlist. So if you wanted to see that, I'll link it at the end of this video. If you've made it this far in today's video, first of all, thank you, means a lot, and congratulations, because you get to enter yourself in a little giveaway where I'm going to be giving away some old Volks Supply Mark 1 Caddy air fresheners. Now these have such a lovely fresh smell. Just for your vehicle, you're gonna love these. All you have to do is hit the thumbs up button and comment down below your favorite Volkswagen model, and I'll be picking the winners in April. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you got something out of it. If you are brand new here to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I bring out a brand new video. Speaking of which, join me again in the next video where I'm going to be testing out some lovely rain repellent for the windscreen. I'll see you there. You remember that playlist I mentioned earlier? There's a link for it right here. This will take you to the playlist with all the videos that features this Rabbit pickup. Or you can click on one of these. This is the main channel which you're watching right now, or right there is my second channel, which has got more vlog stuff that's not really car related. So take your pick.